home and I got ready to go swimming. When I got into the swimming pool, we were swimming on our backs, and I'm not very good at swimming on my back. Jay, you're not very good at swimming at all. Let alone your back. You can't swim on your front or your back. That's why you're in badge 1.
You can do it. Close the door. Ah! No, Will! Will, let me out! Will! I'm the next Houdini.
Nice one.
I think I broke my toe.
Bang.
Hello. Told you, I'm a pro. This is first time as well. Look. They call me Monkey Boy. Yes, Joe. Look. No, no. God damn. Just a spoonful of mustard helps the medicine go down.
Today, see you later today. Hello today.
I really hurt. Alright, Percy, mate, how's it going? Yeah, not too bad, mate. Just eat a bit of cucumber and all.
Zoe.
No, I'm Cindy Lou Who.
Who?
Cindy Lou Who.
Cindy Lou who?
Ha ha.
There's Max. Max is my dog. Say hello, Cindy Lou.
Hello, Grinch.
That's actually quite good. Trouble in your hair, Cindy Lou. Holy crap, it's bigger than my whole head.